Hello guys. Today we are planning to clean the LT cooler. As per preventive maintenance schedule, the LT cooler are nearly overdue. This is the LT cooler, guys. Before opening the LT cooler, measure first the length of every studs and write down so that during assembling very easy each stud to tighten. So fitter Anicito together with motormen Richard and engine cadet Paul started cleaning the LT cooler plates both sides, fresh and seawater side, by using normal brush and water. Once the cleaning is done, check every cooler plate rubber gasket for any damage and brittle. Replace if necessary. Assemble the LT cooler and then check for any leakages. Thanks for watching, guys.